Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PS4 controller on the Dolphin Emulator. First, connect your PS4 controller to your computer. You can use a standard USB cable for a wired connection or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Once connected, your computer should recognize it as a generic gamepad. For the best experience and full functionality, I highly recommend installing DS4 Windows. This free tool allows your computer to see the PS4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, which is often more compatible with emulators. After installing DS4 Windows, open the application. You'll want to create a new profile. Within this profile, you can map your PS4 controller's buttons, triggers, and analog sticks to their corresponding Xbox 360 inputs. This step is crucial for seamless integration. For example, the PS4 X button can be mapped to the Xbox A button. Once you've finished mapping, save your profile and make sure DS4 Windows is running in the background before launching Dolphin. Now let's move to the Dolphin emulator itself. Open Dolphin and go to the Controllers menu. For Port 1, select Standard Controller and then click the Configure button. In the new window, choose DS4 Windows/X input from the Device drop-down menu. This tells Dolphin to look for the virtual Xbox 360 controller created by DS4 Windows. Carefully map each button, stick, and trigger according to your preference for an optimal gaming experience. With everything configured, it's time to test it out. Launch one of your favorite games in Dolphin and see how your PS4 controller performs. If you notice any issues, like stick drift or unresponsive buttons, you can fine-tune the dead zones and sensitivity settings within both Dolphin and DS4 Windows. Remember, DS4 Windows must be running in the background before you launch Dolphin for the controller to be properly recognized. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.